Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix the ADP app if you're having trouble logging into your account. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing to consider is whether your connectivity issue is preventing you from logging in. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. To do this, quickly test your internet by opening a different app that requires internet connection, not the ADP app, and see if it's functioning. You might also want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to help logging into the ADP mobile app. Solution 2. Update the ADP mobile app. If you are still experiencing issues, check to ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store on your device and tap the search icon in the bottom right corner. Search for ADP app, and if you see an update button next to it, tap it to update to the latest version. Solution 3. Clear the ADP app cache. If the issue continues, you might need to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings, find ADP mobile app and select it. On that screen, choose Offload app and confirm after processing. A reinstall button will appear. Just tap it to reinstall the app. Solution 4. Reinstall the ADP mobile app. If you are still having trouble, completely uninstalling and reinstalling the app may help. Follow the on-screen instruction to go to the app page and tap Delete app. To remove it from your device, once uninstalled, head back to App Store, search for the ADP mobile app and click the Get button to reinstall it. And that's how you can troubleshoot the ADP app if you can't log in into your account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.